Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia P10 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can enter the settings. However, it does not really matter, but we can enter the settings in this configuration. They will be in this left upper corner, so let's tap. Here we have to tap on the self timer, and now you can choose from 3 different options, so off, 2 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds. Now we can go back, and all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 2 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, you can turn this option off just by entering the settings again, tapping on self timer and tapping on off. Just make sure that it is marked, and after getting back to the camera, you can see that your device will take photos immediately after tapping on the shutter button without any kind of countdown. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.